This tutorial walks you through the process of submitting your team fact sheet. We are going to submit the team fact sheet in just 4 simple steps. To do this, let's start with the first step, which is signing in and accessing the project. Kick things off by tapping Sign In with ArchiGIS Online on the Quick Capture welcome screen. Tap into the username field and key in your team ID credentials. Hit the Sign In button and give the app a moment to load your workspace. That gets you signed into Quick Capture and ready to work. Let us go to the next step, which is to open the ICMS 3 training project. From the My Workspace screen, tap the ICMS 3 training project to open it. The project is now open and ready for configuration. Let us go to the next step, which is to set the team name, so every record you send is tagged to the correct team identifier. Tap the pencil icon next to team name to start editing in the search bar. Type the first couple of letters of your team code to filter the list. Select your team from the list. Confirm the selection by tapping the check mark at the top. Your team name is now locked in for this session. Let us go to the next step, which is to navigate to the app links where the team fact sheet survey is launched from. Tap the app links header to expand the section and reveal the linked data collection tools. Open the team fact sheet tile to load up the Survey 123 app. Let us go to the next step, which is loading Survey 123 and granting permissions, since the survey needs location access to attach coordinates to your submission. Wait a moment, while the Survey 123 app opens and downloads the fact sheet form automatically. A background location permission prompt will appear while the survey unpacks and optimizes in the background. Tap Next on the permission pop-up to move past it. The app info screen flashes briefly before the WooSAR team fact sheet form opens. The form is now fully loaded and is ready to fill in. Let us go to the next step, which is entering team identification details. Open the country dropdown, scroll through the 3-letter Olympic codes, and pick the code for your country. From the national team number dropdown, choose the number. Tap into the team name field and type your team's full name as it is known internationally. Team identification is now recorded on the form. Let us go to the next step, which is specifying the team composition and type, so the UCC knows the size and category of your team. Tap into the number of persons field and enter the total headcount deployed. Do the same for number of dogs, entering how many search dogs are in the deployment. Under type of team, choose the option that matches your SAR rug classification, such as heavy. Mark yes for classification if your team is officially classified. The composition and type details are set. Let us go to the next step, which is indicating capabilities and personnel counts, where you tick each capability your team can offer. Tick every capability that applies from technical search and canine search through rescue, medical, hazmat, structural engineers, and both RDC and UCC personnel and equipment sets. Under medical, enter the total number of people and then how many hold a national license. Fill in the values for structural engineers, recording the total and the licensed count. Add the head count for UCC and RDC personnel in the same way. Your capabilities and personnel counts are now captured. Let us go to the next step, which is setting the arrival date and response status, so the RDC and UCC know when to expect your team. Tap the expected arrival date and indicate the arrival date of your team. Scroll further down and, under team response status, choose the status that reflects your team's current status, such as responding, in country, or demobilize. Let us go to the next step, which is adding form completion details, identifying who filled out this team fact sheet. Scroll to the form completed by data field and type in the name of the person completing the survey. The form is now fully filled in. Let us go to the next step, which is finalizing and sending the team fact sheet. Tap the check mark at the bottom to finish the survey and trigger the survey completed prompt. Choose Send Now on the pop-up and watch the progress bar upload your submission. Once sending finishes, you land back on the main Survey 1, 2, 3 screen with the submitted ICMS training team fact sheet ready for any future updates. And just like that, your team fact sheet is submitted. You now know how to submit a team fact sheet from start to finish.